This is a really nice cat tower toy. It's really cute. Looks a little bit like a cacti. There's a lot of like different parts to it. This is, I think the favorite part is this pole here because it's been destroyed. But the rest of it is more like fluffy material, like this one here. And the bottom is like this towel kind of texture to it. And then there are a lot of like toys. This is fun to play with, and perching area here on the top, in the middle, and hiding place at the bottom. Psst, psst, psst. I guess she's too busy now. Anyway, it's really cute and functional, and definitely give it a try. Thumbs up.